Okay, so this is Estelle, who's just finished the 4 days with Katy on the Complete Permanent Makeup course. So Estelle, we've covered all sorts of different areas. We did lots of brows. Yesterday we did some eyeliner, and then today we finished up with lips. And maybe not the easiest client, because she was actually a permanent makeup artist, your model, this afternoon.
That's right, yes.
So how did you find doing the lips today?
I really enjoyed it. I was slightly apprehensive because I thought it's a big area and the Cupid's bow in the middle.
Right, yeah, it's a bit more artistic.
But actually I enjoyed the lips probably the best, yeah.
Really?
It's my favourite.
Excellent, because people do sometimes find that a little bit harder because it takes a bit longer, some of the longer treatments. Yeah. And how was it also meeting one of our previous students that's come from I think she came from like a social worker, no beauty skills background, and she's now been doing permanent makeup for the last few years.
It was really nice to speak to somebody who was 2 years ahead, and she's been through the same course as what I've done. And she's made me feel better because she's really enjoying it, and said she wouldn't look back.
Excellent. Well, it's always nice to know. And you must be tired?
Shattered, and my head's spinning.
And you've got a long old trek back to Derby, so a few hours there, so make sure you have some stops. Okay. And yeah, it's obviously been great to have you down here, and hopefully we look forward to working with you a little bit on the business side and that side of things as well. Do you see I know you've run businesses in the past, but you think that's quite an important element for like permanent makeup artists, like the business side of things and websites and things?
Definitely. I think the nice thing is knowing that you specialise purely in permanent makeup websites, and you know where to get all the stock photos from and all the, the background more than any, of the other website designers that I've used. So that's, I think that's
excellent.
Good.
Well, it's been great to have you here, and hope you have a safe trip back. And we will look forward to seeing your first case studies as they come through thick and fast on the mobile.
Yeah, brilliant.
Brilliant. Take care, Estelle. Cheers.